I'm going to teach you how to use a level. A level is meant to establish a plane using a glass-filled tube with a liquid and an air bubble. When the air bubble is in between the two black lines, we'll know it's level. We can move it side to side, up and down until the bubble gets in between the black lines. See here, the bubble is too far to the left, so we need to move the right side of the object up. If you see the bottom left corner, it's a zoomed out view of the frame we're adjusting, showing you that we're moving the right side up and the left side down. Just keep on adjusting until you're able to get the bubble inside of that glass tube in between the two black lines. If you want to be precise, just keep adjusting till it feels perfect. There you go, perfect. Now let's practice with it vertical. Last time was horizontal. All right, take your level and place it vertical next to the object you're adjusting. Great job. All right, we see the bubble is way too far to the right. We need to move the object down on the right side, as you can see in the bottom left corner, and up on the left side. This will help us slowly move our bubble back to the center where it needs to be. Slowly adjust it. You'll see your bubble move. Watch it get right between the two black lines in the center. Awesome work. That's perfect. Now let's practice with it being diagonal. Sometimes people want to mount something on a 45-degree angle. So you're going to get another object and place it as close as you can to a 45-degree angle. Then we'll use our level to make it perfect. We'll once again adjust until the bubble's between the black lines. Great job, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.